Good afternoon, I'm Sia and I would like to present a study that I conducted during my PhD together with my supervisor, Professor Julian Meyer, on how children learn words with the help of classifiers. So as we all know, children learn words through many ways. So one of the methods is through mutual exclusivity, which suggests that children learn words by mapping one object to one name. So assuming that children know the word bowl and they hear the noun verb people, then they would map this noun word to the noun object and reject this familiar object. Now another way is through syntactic cues. If children know the grammar of a language, then they can use this knowledge to help them learn words. For instance, if a child hears some people, then they would map people to this lumpy object and not to this object because some refers to mass nouns and not count nouns. For languages that use classifiers, numeral classifiers, such as Mandarin and Japanese, children can also use this knowledge to help them differentiate between two count nouns. For instance, if a child hears a rod classifier people, then they would select this rod-like noun object and not this noun object because this rod-like noun object matches this rod classifier. So the interesting question that I ask is, if mutual exclusivity and classifiers are in conflict with each other. For instance, if a child hears a rod classifier people and they see a rod-like object which is familiar, a pencil, and a noun object that is not rod-like, do they rely on mutual exclusivity or do they rely on classifiers? That was the question that I asked in this study.